Hi! This is my door key. That's right, my smartphone is now my key. With this I can control my front door no matter where I am. How, you ask? I had a Nuki delivered, I mounted it onto my door lock, and that's it. So now I can stay at work and still open up for the handyman. Hello? Yeah, I'll open the door for you. Nuki can even detect when authorized smartphones are near and automatically unlocks the door, and they call this auto unlock. And her smartphone is authorized too, of course. Hi, honey! With my Nuki app, I always know whether or not my kids are home yet. Yep, looks like they got home safe and sound. But now I bet you're wondering what the Nuki smart lock looks like. Cool device, right? And super sophisticated. The Nuki bridge connects the smart lock to the internet, so I always have my keys with me. And these, they can stay at home now. Because with Nuki, I'm able to see and decide for whom, when, and for how long my door will be open. Oh, looks like my friend Dennis is here. Shall I let him in as well?